If you run surveys online like me and you're looking for one of the most reliable and affordable proxies in the markets out there, then this video is basically for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of the best proxies I've used. It's super affordable and it's very reliable. It has really great reviews. You can check it up yourself at the end of this video. All right, you can use this to run multiple social media accounts. You can use it to run surveys online. You can use this to literally do anything. You can use it to operate even your Netflix account if you want to operate it. If you don't want to make use of your own IP, you can use this to run anything basically online. Like personally, I run multiple social media accounts and I run some surveys online that are not necessarily within my own region. So this proxy has been something that has been supporting me, that I've been using, and it's super affordable and very reliable. That's why I decided to bring this proxy to you guys to show you guys how it's been used, how it works, and some of the best things about this proxy. Trust me, you're not going to regret using this proxy. The name of this proxy is called GEONIX, and it's one of the best proxies in the market out there right now. It's super reliable, super affordable, and it gives you 99.9% uptime. You have no worries, you have no downtime. It's very super reliable. Enough of this talking. If you're new here, my name is Charan. I make it easy for latest tutorials. So subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and let us get into this video. Enough of this talking. Let me just show you how this works and the things that it does. All right, so when you come to this homepage, this is what you're going to meet. This GEONIX, and it's one of the best residential proxies that provide residential proxies out there. When you come here, this is the first thing you're going to meet. Let's just come under here, and then here you can see IP4, IPv4, IPv6, ISP, and have mobile, and have resident. So here you can see the list of countries that this platform is available in, that you can use proxies in. All right, so we have like a whole lot here, and here we have the social media thing. Yeah, you can use this to log in Instagram account, Facebook, TikTok, Telegram, YouTube, Twitter, Tinder, Reddit, and just a whole lot bunch of it. You can also use it to play online games. We have Minecraft. I think it's all Minecraft. We have Minecraft here. We have so many other games here that we can actually play by using these proxies, even if they're not available in your location. I should have said that loud. We can use whole web scraping tool, and then there are other purposes. All right, you can use, for instance, Netflix, Shopify, eBay, just like a whole lot here. All right, so here you can see your IP, talk about proxy checker, bot scanner, ping IP, anonymity checker, speed test, just like a whole lot right here on this very platform. Let's just try something. Yeah, let's just go with US base IP address. So this is where you're going to bring you. So you can drop this, click on the drop down, select whichever one you want. All right. So for me, like I spoke earlier, I'll make use of social media. All right. So we can here gonna ask if you want to do one piece, or you can change all the pieces here. You can make it 5 if you want to. But basically, this video, I'll be going with 1. So here you have how long you want it to last. It could be 30 days, could be 7 days, could be 14 days, could be 30 days, could be 90 days, could go as high as 180 days, and also 360 days. This proxy is very stacked with that. All right, so everything I did here total to $1.57. All right, I'll be paying for this, so I can show you guys basically the next step and what we need to do on this. So let's just click on File Proxy. All right, so when you click on Buy Proxy, you're gonna come here, you're gonna see here. All right, so we choose US then, and let's see showing here purpose of use, social media, specific service. You can just fill up this here, a bunch of this here, and you can add a country if you want. So here you're gonna come down here and go for authorization needed. All right, so going to click on that payment method. All right, so there are a lot of payment method here. All right, so but I already have money in my balance, so I'm going to make use of that. If you don't have money in your balance, you can use any of these: USDT, PayPal, BTC, like every other thing here is tax. So I'm going to click on my balance, then I'm going to click here, then I'll click on here. So we're going to wait for it to process. I believe it's processing already, so we're going to wait for it to process. All right, I think that didn't go through. So after that, this is the proxy that you'll be brought into. As you can see, my order has been successful, and now I can use it. So let me go back to the accounts and then show you guys on how to use this. Okay, so like I said, my balance was $10. I bought this and it's from right here. So let us come to IP first. So as you can see, I already have my listing here, my IP address here. All right, it's that straightforward and it's that quick. All right, so you can actually edit this if you don't feel comfortable with any of this. You can actually edit it here. All right, if there's anything at all you want to do, you just edit it there. All right, so now you have gotten your IP, your IP here, and then the next thing is actually on how to make use of it. So that's where another problem comes. But don't worry, I come bearing solutions. We can export this and then basically make use of this to access international sites or the ones that are restricted from my area, and you can also use it to multiple accounts. All right, to manage multiple accounts. So with here, you can just basically make use of you can actually make use of the proxy, this very one that has been offered to you on AdsPower. AdsPower is one of the best people that company that do provide this kind of service out there. It's very nice and I really like it. All right, so you can also explore those options, and then see how amazing this tool is. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that was insightful. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like this video. The link to this proxy is going to be in the description below. So you just have to click it and go there. And if you use my link, you're going to get a small discount on your first buy. So now what? Click on that link and let us get the proxy buying started. See you guys in the next video.